guys, welcome back to my channel once again. First thing to address before we go any further in this video, I've had the haircut, finally. Barbers are open, so I've had it cut, it's done, and as you can see, I'm pretty happy with how it's turned out. A lot shorter, a lot less weighty. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Ow! I just cut my finger, because my hair's sharp. Don't know where that joke came from. Anyway, I'm not here today to talk about my hair. Because my hair does the talking for itself, right? So what I am going to do today is something a little bit different. A lot of my content recently has been based around the home and lots of different things that you can do around the house and products that I use at home and all that kind of stuff. And I thought it would be really good because I've seen a few videos related to this to show you, or in fact, I'm not even going to show you, I'm going to try with you on this video some of those sort of products. Has anybody seen these cleaning vlogs that people do where they talk about specific products and they sort of become like almost like YouTube cleaning products that all the cleaning YouTubers use? Well, I've bought a load of those today and we're going to give them a try on camera and see if they're as good as all of these cleaning YouTubers say. So maybe in doing this video, I am becoming a cleaning YouTuber. I don't know. But I did do a speed clean video actually a little while back. So I don't know, maybe this is me now. Maybe this is where I'm at. The home related content will continue when lockdown's ended because I do really enjoy doing it. And like many of you, almost all of you I would imagine, I live in a home. So to do home related content, you know, I'm always going to have an audience for that, aren't I? So we'll have a look at some of these products in a bit. I've just got them here. I've got my old t-shirt on today and I'm going to do a bit of spring cleaning this morning. I've got my morning coffee right here, and once I've drunk that, I'm going to be cracking on and I'm going to be cleaning, particularly our kitchen. It needs a good clean and I've got the products for it, so let's give them a try. But first of all, let's see what we've got. Now this one, I don't know if you've probably seen people using this. It's called the Pink Stuff. And it advertises itself as the miracle cleaning paste. I got this at Sainsbury's and it was only £1. It is 99% natural ingredients, environmentally non-toxic and not tested on animals and non-hazardous. So those are all good things. But I've seen a lot, and I mean a lot, of YouTubers using this, particularly to clean their hobs and their sinks and all that kind of stuff. But it says on the back here, tough on saucepans, cooker tops, sinks, UPVC, barbecue, ceramic tiles, glass showers, garden furniture, paintwork, boats. So if you've got a boat, you can buy this. Brass and rust. The list is endless, even though it did just end there with rust. This is it's a cleaning paste, so you can use it on all those things to bring the dirt off and make things look a lot cleaner and a lot shinier. I saw a YouTuber use it on their sort of hob that they do the cooking on, so that's where I'm going to be giving this a go. You kind of just put a big load of it on, let it, you know, rub it in, let it set, and then wipe it clean. So we're going to give that a try in a little bit as well. But I've seen lots of people using this one. The next product I'm going to show you is one that I have just started using in my day-to-day life anyway, because the smell of these is unbelievable. And that is, of course, these bad boys. Lenor Unstoppables. Are they going to go in focus? Yes, they are. There they are. Lenor Unstoppables. These are scent boosters that you put in with your washing, but that's not the only use they have, and so I wanted to show you these because I have found a couple other different uses for these just to make your home smell a little bit nicer, particularly in areas where it doesn't always smell particularly nice. So I'm going to show you how to use these. These are a must, and we're going to put them to the test again today. This one may seem a little random, but I've also gone for this Method all-purpose anti-bac cleaner, and it is in a wild rhubarb scent. That is very important because a lot of people have been saying, and I've been seeing it all over the internet, whenever you research what the best cleaning products are, this one always comes up near the top of the list really for sort of high street purchases. And particularly this scent, a lot of people have been saying this smells amazing. I did have a little smell a minute ago. I sprayed it on the table and it does smell very, very good. So we're going to give that one a try as well for our anti-bac spray that we use on different things, you know, surfaces and whatnot. And finally, this is a product I have avoided using because I don't like using too many chemicals or disinfectant or anything like that. But I've gone for this. It's some Zoflora, and it's lemon Zing flavour. Zoflora is a concentrated disinfectant. It kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, eliminates odours and leaves all day freshness, whatever that means. But again, lots of different uses for this one, but what I am going to be doing is using this one hopefully to clean and disinfect my sink and my drains as well. People have been using this. I've seen videos where people are using it to make the drains smell a little nicer, particularly the ones in the kitchen. So I'm going to be giving that a go as well today. So we've got a few products there that we're going to be trying, going to be giving them a go, testing them out. And yeah, hopefully this is of use to you. If it is, please do subscribe down below because I've got lots of other home related content coming your way really soon, because we're all still at home. At the time of filming, we are still in a national lockdown. So cleaning in this lockdown, I think for me particularly, has become a passion. But I think for many of you out there, it's like a national pastime now, isn't it, cleaning? So hopefully this video will be of use. We've got 4 of the internet's most popular cleaning products out there right now. We're going to be putting them to the test, finding out their uses, their strengths, their weaknesses, and most importantly of all, my kitchen is going to be sparkly clean at the end of this video. So I've got my old t-shirt on, I'm ready, let's go clean. Okay guys, so first of all we're going to do this one, which is the pink stuff. We're going to be giving this a go first and foremost to clean this bad boy. As you can see, pretty dirty at the moment. I haven't cleaned it in about a week or so. So there's a week's worth of just dust and grease and grime on there. So hopefully this will give it a nice shine. Lots of people, like I say, use this for various things on that I've seen on YouTube videos. Someone used this to clean their shoes, which I might have to give that a go at some point. But the hob and the kitchen and any of this sort of stainless steel stuff is quite popular for, you know, being cleaned with this pink stuff. So I'm going to give it a go. Let's see how we get on. We'll, yeah, hopefully we'll have a nice shiny hob afterwards. I still can't believe I'm doing some kind of cleaning video. This is definitely out of my comfort zone, but worth a go. As you can see, I've colour coordinated my rubber gloves as well with my outfit today. So no reason that cleaning can't be fashionable. Okay guys, we've got a problem here. I didn't want to like this product because then it's another thing that you have to buy to clean your kitchen. But I do. The layers of grease that this got off, this hob. Like, I thought I kept my hob pretty clean, you know? But this was like next level. It was bringing it up and it was like black coming off. But it says it there, it's tough on stains. It really was. I was very, very impressed, I must say. It's like a putty, it's a weird consistency. You know, it really does do the job. I mean, I've not even finished doing the hob yet, but it's looking super shiny. It's got so much of the dirt off that I didn't even really realise was there. Highly recommend this one, the pink stuff. I should say as well, while I'm here, that what I've done is I applied the pink stuff to the hob using like a sponge, a double-sided sponge, and then once I'd let it set for a little while, so you sort of leave it on there to pick up all the grease and stuff. Wash it down first using the soft side of the sponge, like with water, kind of thin it out a little bit. Then because I haven't got very many cloths here, I've run out, I used a little bit of kitchen roll just to get it up, and then another bit of kitchen roll just to buff it out. Normally I would use a cloth, but like I say, we're running a little low at the moment. They've seen better days, our cloths. So yeah, that's the kind of method I use, but yeah, I'm sure you could figure out a better way, but that's just what I did. And it's done a really, really good job on the hob here, making it look nice, as you can see, and shiny. You can literally see my face in it. Hello, Ash. Okay, so the hob is clean. We have used the pink stuff. It's a tick from me for cleaning. It doesn't have much of a scent to it, I don't think. Let me just... It's kind of rhubarby, I would say, if it has a smell to it, but it's very faint. I would say this product's particularly Not really about the scent that it gives off, it's more just about the cleaning power that it has. So that is quite a good one if you're looking to give particularly your hob a good scrubbing. Maybe go for this one. And as I said, it was on offer at Sainsbury's for £1. I will put a link down below to this product if you did want to get hold of it. It's not sponsored or anything. I'm literally just testing out these products just for myself, really, just to see what's good and what isn't. So that was the pink stuff. Lots of other uses for that, but I've just put it to use on the hob today. I'm now going to try this, which everyone seems to be using except for me. Me and Joe never use products like this. I don't think this will be a permanent addition to our cleaning cupboard, partly because we've lived long enough without it, you know, disinfectant. We always give the kitchen a good clean anyway, without using disinfectant, but lots of people have said this makes your sink area and your drains and your kitchen smell really nice if you get a good scent. And I've got a lemon Zing flavour scented, lemon Zing scented one, which I'm going to be using now in the sink. I'm going to pop some in the sink. It says online, I looked up a few other cleaning vlogs and people were saying that you use 1 cap of this per 400 ml in the sink. So what I'm going to do is run around 400 ml worth of water just to look at, and then I will chuck a cap of this in with the water, let it set, let it do its thing in the sink, then give the sink a bit of a clean over, clean the taps, clean everything, and then obviously you can take the plug out and let the water run through, which in theory should make the drain smell really nice. So I'm going to do that now. Nice to get the kitchen clean first thing in the morning. Okay, so we use the pink stuff to clean the hob. We've used Zoflora to clean the sink area. It does smell lemony, I must say, although I don't think this is something that I'm going to add to my daily or sort of weekly routine. As I've said before, me and Joe try and eliminate the amount of sort of chemicals in the air, so I wanted to give this one a try for the video, but I don't think, once I've used this bottle up, I don't think I'll buy another unless, you know, unless I really notice a difference in the next few weeks before I go and get some more cleaning products. But what I am going to do now is clean down the surfaces. I've got this one, Rhubard Antibacterial all-purpose cleaner, and it's wild rhubarb scented. Let me give it a little spray, not right at you, I'll spray it off to the side so we can smell it. Oh, that is a strong rhubarb scent. That's not like, you know, sometimes like with the Zoflora, it said it was lemon Zing, and you can kind of, you go, oh yeah, that kind of smells like lemon. With this, you're like, yeah, it's rhubarb. I'm back there. I'm in the sweet shop buying those, do you remember those rhubarb and custard sweets? They were good. Anyway, I'm going to clean down all the surfaces in the kitchen and in our lounge as well. We've got the dining room table over there and our side tables in the lounge area. I like to make sure that everything's anti-bac regularly, like daily, particularly when Joe, for those that don't know, my wife is a violin teacher, and so we have a lot of people coming in and out of our home to learn the violin, and so I like to make sure that everything's clean, particularly in these COVID times. You have to do it, you have to make sure everything's clean and tidy, so why not, you know, if you're cleaning up, why not make your home smell nice as well? So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to clean the surfaces with Rhubard Antibacterial all-purpose cleaner. Right, I've anti-backed my surfaces using my microfiber cloth, and the whole place now just smells of rhubarb. It's absolutely divine. Jo just came out of one of her violin lessons to get a glass of water, and she's like, oh, it smells lovely in here. And it does, it literally, the whole place smells of this now, the rhubarb. It's even overtaking the smell of the Zoflora. But this is, yeah, this is a very prominent smell, and yeah, does the job as well when it comes to cleaning, so win-win. Okay, so the last product I want to show you is these. You'll no doubt be familiar with these by now, Lenor Unstoppables. Very, very popular, and for good reason as well. They smell incredible. I've got the fresh scented ones, which is the one with the green lid here. And it was one of those, I didn't want to like this product, but when we got our new washing machine fitted, they gave us a sample, so I thought I'll try them because they gave me the sample. Love them, never look back. I buy them every week now. So good marketing there from the team at Lenor, because they've got me, I'm hooked now. And what these do is you put them, well there's actually quite a few uses for them. The main use being that you put a cap full, so you take the lid off there, you put your cap full of the little balls, which I'll show you now. You put a cap into the washing machine and then you put your washing on top of them and do your washing. So all it does is makes your washing smell really, really nice and brings out the scent of your fabric softener and whatever else you're using as well really well. It does smell incredible, and I'm not just saying that. This video isn't sponsored, so I can say whatever I want, but they do smell amazing. And if you live in a flat like ours, when you're hanging up your washing, it makes your whole flat smell amazing. So really, really would recommend these to you. But they do have quite a few other uses. I spotted online that somebody puts a small handful of them, or a capful, or half a capful, in the bottom of their bin, so that when they're, you know, because obviously bins smell quite bad a lot of the time. If you've got a capful of those in the bottom of the bin, like underneath the bin bag, if you see what I mean, it honestly gives off this really good smell out of the bin, which you'd never thought your bin would smell good, but with these, it can. Now, the last hack that I want to show you with regards to these Lenor Unstoppables is you can take a spray bottle like this, fill it with half a cap of these, so not very many at all, fill it with warm water, shake it up, let them dissolve, and you've got yourself what is basically a Febreze spray. So I use this then for spraying on the curtains over there in the kitchen, even spraying on the sofa, our curtains here, maybe even the coats in the cupboard, just to keep everything smelling fresh. It's a bit of a homemade Febreze spray. Another little hack for you, there you go. It's got multiple uses, there's 3 of them for you today. I just wanted to quickly summarize the things that I've used and let you know which ones I think are worth your money and which ones are not really. Zoflora, let's start with this one. I think if you're the sort of person who uses disinfectant, this one smells good. It certainly does the job. I mean, the sink looks really shiny and really clean. The pink stuff is definitely something that I would get, particularly if it is on offer at £1, like it was when I bought it. It really did get the grease and the grime off of my hob. It doesn't really have much of a smell to it from what I can gather anyway. But for cleaning wise, it certainly does the job. And as I've seen in other YouTube videos, there are a ton of uses for this particular product. So you could certainly get more out of it than just cleaning your hob. So this might be worth a go, I would say. You guys know how I feel about Lenor Unstoppables. Big, big fan of these. The smell is incredible. There's nothing better than getting into bed at night having put fresh bedding on when you've washed it with these, because they smell amazing. You'll never want to get out of bed again, I tell you. So these are really definitely worth a go. Not that expensive. I think they're about £4 in Tesco's, but you can get a smaller pot that's a little cheaper than that as well if you want to go down that route. And this as well, to be fair, the Rhubard Antibacterial all-purpose cleaner, wild rhubarb scented. The whole place now smells of rhubarb, genuinely. It's a really good smell. We've got 4 products here that the internet sort of has gone crazy over recently, and I would recommend any of them to you. They're all good, they all do the job, it does what it says on the tin, you know? I probably won't buy Zoflora again for now anyway, just because of my own circumstance. But the rest of these things I will be buying again, and yeah, really, really happy with the results, and of course, the scent. I used to wear marigolds when I did the washing up and the cleaning and stuff, but they kept ripping, like they kept breaking on me, little holes in them and stuff, and when you put your hands in the sink and you grab like a fork and it just goes in. So Joe got these from me, which were like really, really extra strong, sort of all-purpose gloves, but it does make me look like either a chauffeur or like a, you know, like a Bond villain. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching this video. A little bit of a random one today, but I thought it might be helpful for you, particularly with all of the, you know, there's so many cleaning videos these days on YouTube. I didn't even know it was a thing, but there are. They're everywhere. And so I thought I would go through some of these products with you to let you know which ones are the good ones and which ones are not so great. Hopefully it's been useful. Let me know in the comments below if you really enjoyed this video or this type of video, if you want more of this video or less. Let me know. I want to make content that you enjoy. And content, of course, that I enjoy as well. And I do enjoy cleaning, believe it or not. So you might see one of these videos again, who knows. But do subscribe down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye-bye.